Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a plan with me, like we always do, in my ERIN CONDREN hourly life planner for the week of February 7th through the 13th. So let's just get started. Here is a little peek back at last week. So I know last week we ended off with nothing on the page except the stickers. So I decided to add in my meal plan and then just a little to-do list. I don't typically like to put my meals in my planner, but I figured why not? I love this sticker that she included. And yeah, so here is how it ended up with the little Moxie Life affirmation prompts in my planner. I love how it looks and it just kind of fills up the page. So we are going to continue that this week. And for this week's kit, we are using this one from PlannerKate. I loved this kit as soon as I seen it. And it's kind of funny, I seen it through another shop, like this artwork, and I was going to buy it for February, and then PlannerKate released the exact same clip art and patterns for January, but I knew I wanted to use it for February, so here we are. The only thing I pre-did were the numbers on the date strips, so this will be fun. But one thing I'm planning on doing is using these 4 and these 3 to put in my affirmations for the week. So it's kind of using up a good majority of my, pretty much all my pattern half boxes, but I have these, so it's okay. guys can still see me, but oh yeah, we're just gonna have to wrap this up. So let's see here. That is date night. Have my goals. And then these other things I honestly don't need to put down yet, like errands, because I don't know what is happening on which day. But yeah, I think this is a good place to stop. I'll show you next week how everything turns out. Again, I apologize for if this is like super rushed, but I think we got a lot done and I love how this turned out. This kit is super gorgeous, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video with me, and I will see you on Thursday with an unrushed unboxing of my Chrissy & Designs celebration collection. See you then. Bye.